Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10X Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and select Personalizations. Then click on Wallpapers over here, pick one of those options. I will go with Live ones. Select the best one for you and choose Apply to Home and Lock Screen. Now you need to go back, choose Always on Display, enable it by tapping on the switcher over here or disable it by tapping on the same one. If you wish to enable it though, you can also customize it however you wish to in those settings. Then go back, choose icon styles, pick one of those or select custom, tap on agree and continue and pick shape of them, size, and even app name size. When you're ready, just go back. Now tap on App Layout and select number of columns and rows. Then go back, choose Fingerprint Animation, go back again, tap on Colors and select one of those color themes or single colors by tapping on the best one for you and choosing Apply. Now tap on Font and Display Size, pick one of those font styles. I want to go with Adaptive one and pick Font Size and Display. When you're ready, choose Apply, tap on Notification Draw and pick Shape of Icons in your Tap menu. Then go back, tap on Edge Lightning, choose Notifications Received when screen is off or incoming calls, select one of those options and go back as well. So now when I go back to my home screen, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!